It's about the owner, not the breed. Dobermans often face unfair stereotypes. Despite their imposing appearance, they are loyal and loving dogs. Some people see them as aggressive or dangerous dogs. However, this perception is wrong and based on misunderstandings. This couldn't be further from the truth. Dobermans are known for their intelligence and their ability to form strong bonds with their families. Like any dog, a Doberman's behavior is a reflection of their upbringing and environment. A well-trained and socialized dog will be a balanced and trustworthy companion. Blaming a breed for aggression is like blaming a gun for a shooting.